Welcome back to my channel Techno Trend Zone. The countdown has officially begun, and this time it's serious. The Apple Watch Ultra 3 isn't just another tick in the upgrade box. From its whisper-quiet arrival to the bold claims around its capabilities, it's primed to redefine what a smartwatch can be. Let's dive deep into this next-gen smartwatch renaissance, why it's so hyped, what's truly groundbreaking, and why it might just be worth holding out for. The buzz machine is firing up across tech spheres. Apple is said to be gearing up for a September event, likely early in the month, followed by pre-orders opening swiftly and a release date rumored around Friday, September 19, 2025. These dates are not law, but Apple's rhythm tends toward that cadence, making the speculation feel very much real-world plausible. But beyond schedule, what's compelling here is the sheer ambition behind the Ultra 3. Each new leak and insider tip paints a picture of a device that transcends yearly refresh norms. This is truly an evolutionary leap. It's what you'd call a smartwatch metamorphosis. Front and center is the display. Rumors hint at the rollout of an LTPO3 OLED panel. Yes, it's advanced, and yes, it's a visceral display upgrade. We're talking brightness potentially exceeding 3000 nits. That's blazing bright clarity even under the harshest sun, whether you're trekking desert dunes or scaling alpine ridges. And with dynamic refresh rate scaling, the Ultra 3 promises smarter power use, minimal use when just checking time, full burst when streaming or interacting. Expect deeper contrast, razor-sharp detail, and unmatched viewing experience. Beneath, the real magic unfolds. The Ultra 3 is rumored to ditch the S9 of its predecessor and embrace an S10 or even S11 chip, manufactured on a lean 3nm process. Think efficiency, think cool operation, think raw power. But more than speed, this chip is all about the on-wrist AI revolution. Siri and system AI functions won't need Apple's server backend. Instead, they'll spring to action locally on your wrist. The result? Near-instant responses, real offline smarts, and intelligent context that makes interactions feel alive, not delayed. Implications are enormous: heart rate trends, reminders, even directional prompts, all delivered instantly, smarter, and tailored. The OS, codenamed Watch 26, is being built around this AI core. Expect predictive notification triage, environment-aware UI shifts, context-sensitive coaching, and workout tips that adapt to your movement and mood. This is not just smart software, it's adaptive intuition for wellness and productivity. And speaking of wellness, that's where the Apple Watch Ultra 3 could truly leave its mark. Apple seems to be pushing into realms once reserved for dedicated medical gear. There's heavy talk of continuous blood pressure monitoring, sans cuff, advanced sensors, AI-powered trend tracking, high-resolution health data. Imagine having actionable insights on your blood pressure throughout the day, detecting dangerous spikes before they escalate. Sleep apnea detection is also on the rumor mill, using motion data, heart rate variability, oxygen saturation, and AI-driven pattern analysis. The Ultra 3 might help flag irregular breathing during sleep. For many unaware sufferers, this passive detection could be life-altering. But the frontier doesn't stop there. The futuristic dream whispered among beta testers? Non-invasive blood glucose tracking. Now, it wouldn't replace a CGM or finger prick kit, not yet. But allowing users to observe metabolic flux, post-meal highs, stress-induced dips, exercise-driven responses, through skin-based optical sensing? That's a metabolic insights breakthrough in our lifetimes. It's clear, the Ultra line is evolving from premium watch to health and safety flagship. A device that watches over your vitals and sends alerts before you even sense a shift. Safety features also go full survivalist mode. Satellite connectivity may expand from SOS blasts to real chat capabilities via orbit, send messages, share location without cell tethering. Stranded? Off-grid? This becomes a literal lifeline. Layered atop that, enhanced global GPS support. With coverage across systems like Galileo, promises rock-solid navigation, even where signals flicker in urban canyons or mountain shadows. Now, connectivity. This might be Apple's first 5G-enabled smartwatch. Goodbye LTE limitations. Think blazing data speeds, crystal-clear voice calls, seamless cloud sync, all dialed in straight from your wrist. Pair that with Wi-Fi 6E support, unlocking less crowded bands for faster, more reliable home or hotspot performance, and you're looking at a device that operates with full smartphone independence: movies, messages, health data syncs, AI features, all over the air, no iPhone tether required. What emerges is a timepiece that isn't just a wellness tracker, it's a lifeline, a performance hub, a survival tool, wrapped in titanium. Speaking of build, the Ultra 3 apparently retains the rugged, 49mm titanium chassis, the flat sapphire crystal, and the dust-proof, pressure-tough exterior that defines this line. Meanwhile, new strap designs, trail, alpine, and ocean, fuse ergonomic comfort with activity-specific durability. Battery endurance also migrates upward. Thanks to the efficiency of the new chip and adaptive display, expectations tilt toward 36 to 48 hours of active use, even with nutrient-hungry features. And when you dial into low-power mode, that runtime stretches further, ideal for expeditions, all-nighters, or survival deployments. This isn't incremental. It's quantum leap territory. Apple isn't just meeting user demands, it's redefining them. Whether you prioritize advanced health metrics, rugged design, untethered connectivity, or AI assistance, the Ultra 3 says, "We got you." Ultimately, the Apple Watch Ultra 3 is evolving into more than a smartwatch. It's a guardian on your wrist, a digital coach, a health sentinel, an AI companion, and an off-grid communicator. As we pivot into deeper analysis, we'll explore how this strategic super upgrade might reshape not only wearable tech, but also personal health norms, rescue protocols, and what we expect from miniaturized computing on our bodies. This isn't evolution, it's a reinvention of the form factor. To loop back, with potential 5G, Wi-Fi 6E, satellite comms, AI passivity, advanced biosensors, and ruggedized design, the Ultra 3 is positioning itself as the apex of smartwatch transformation. Whether you're training, exploring, optimizing health, or just wanting real independence from your phone, this is shaping up to be the watch that does it all.